So in the cities like Pune, which is very dusty due to the constructions and all, this is a very common scene. Your bike gets dirty in no time. Leave the bike for a week and it looks like this. It has collected so dust, you cannot even identify the color. I'm not sure how does it looking in the camera, but in real it looks so bad. So what's the solution? Wash it every day, every week? I think that's not a good idea because water and metal don't go hand in hand. So you can see already due to all the rain, the paint got chipped from this part and it has already started rusting. Same goes with this bolt. So washing the bike with water every time it gets dirty is not a good idea and you should avoid it. So what's the solution for this kind of situation when it is not covered in mud but it is dirty due to the dust? So the solution is to use this waterless car wash. So basically this is a concentrate and we need to mix it with clean water. So I have this clean water in a spray bottle, and also we will need this detailing brush so that we can get into these gaps easily and clean it well. And also you will need 2 sets of microfiber cloths. 2 are necessary, one to clean it and one to buff it out. You can do it with the 1 microfiber towel as well, but 2 are recommended. This will give you a better result. So let's start with the process and I will show you how this is done. Okay, so prepare the cleaning solution. Just open the cap, and this is very concentrated, so avoid dripping it anywhere. Just 1 cap is enough. Shake it well. Okay, so this is the cleaning solution and it is ready. Now let me close this. So before cleaning the bike with the solution, it is very important to remove all the loose particles from the bike with the help of a blower. Otherwise those particles will be trapped in your microfiber towel and you will scratch the paint. So this step is very important. Get a blower like this. It's a very cheap one from Amazon. You can get it. This is a very handy tool. You can clean many things with this blower, so it's a good investment. So let's start. Okay, so once the loose dust particles are removed, we can start with the cleaning process. So take the microfiber towel like this, fold it in half and again half. So this is ready. Now set your spray bottle to spray setting and spray generously. Okay, spray generously and do it in sections. No need to do it all at once. Do it in sections and just wipe it. Once you wipe off, take the other dry microfiber towel and buff it out. So you can see the difference this side and from this side. So let's continue. Now buff it out with the second cloth. Okay, so basically this is the thing you need to do for all the bikes. So let me do it quickly and we will discuss the results after I am done cleaning the bike. Now let's talk about this product. So basically this product you can use on any surface, right? Like this seats, plastic, metal, it works on all the surfaces. And I have been using this solution, this waterless car wash, since last 6 years on my car and on my bikes. The result is very good. I have not seen any adverse effect of this solution. So this is a much recommended thing. I will leave a link in the description and you can get it from there. And if you get that product from the link, it's an affiliated link and you will be helping this channel. So go check out the links. Also, on the topic of helping me, so I recently completed 500 subscribers on YouTube, and YouTube has given me some options to get in touch with the community. It has given me a community join option as well as thanks button. So if you're interested, you can join the community, and that will be very great help to this channel. And also, if you just want to say thanks for any particular video, you can do with this thanks button. So thank you in advance if you are supporting this channel through any of these mediums. In this bike, these corners are very sharp and there are lots of places where you can get hurt. So be careful while you are cleaning this bike. Places that you cannot reach, you can spray generously on the towel and use your hand to reach the other sides like this. So on this meter I have applied a screen guard. That's a very important investment. You should also get this screen guard and get it installed on this meter. That will avoid all kind of scratches and it will protect your dash. So again, you will find the product link in the description. If you want, you can check it out. Another important thing to keep in mind while cleaning the plastic part especially, or even the paint parts, do not apply pressure anywhere. Simply glide your hand on the surface and let the microfiber towel do all its job. So already bike is looking much better. Now for the parts like this where there are lots of gaps, I'm going to use this detailing brush. So simply spray generously and start cleaning the bike with this brush. Just like this. These corners and clean them well. See how easy it is to clean. You can reach all the gaps and corners. Another main reason to avoid water is like if you might have ride this bike in last rainy season, some of you or some of the folks might have faced this issue like I faced. The joystick stopped working. The water got into the connector and it corroded and joystick stopped working. And for some people it got fixed automatically after getting some sunlight. But for some extreme cases like mine, a lot of salt was formed between the connectors and it wasn't working. So I had to get the connector clean. The Royal Enfield was going to change the path, but I diagnosed the issue myself and fixed the salt deposition on the connector and it started working. So if you're interested, that video is also live on the channel. You can take a look. So that's another good reason to avoid washing this bike with water regularly. Grab your microfiber towel and wipe the parts. Okay, now let's clean the little challenging parts like these gaps. Now it depends on you how much detail you want to do. You can stop it at this point where the bike is relatively clean and it is good to go. And if you want to spend some more time, you can get into all the corner like I am doing right now. So this is also very handy if you are on a ride and if you are a vlogger. Then thing is, showing a dirty bike on a vlog doesn't look good, right? So you can make a little small solution in a small bottle and keep it with you. At least you can keep your bike clean, the parts which are visible in the video. Right, again a very handy thing. Now keep in mind, clean this kind of dirty places where you can see lots of dust particles or dirt particles are there. Do it last, otherwise this will get trapped into microfiber towel and they will scratch the paint. So tackle them at the last and use a brush. You don't even need to use a microfiber towel on this. Okay, so I'm done cleaning the bike and you can see the after look. Okay, and this result we have achieved without a single bucket of water. I just using this waterless car wash, a spray bottle, a detailing brush and 2 microfiber towels. So this was very easy. You can do it in 15 minutes if the bike is not very dirty. Otherwise, if you can spend half an hour, your bike will be squeaky clean. So I think that will do for this video. See you in another one. Till then, goodbye.